Want to know how the ServiceNow Mentorship training by Thinkscaler Technologies works? Let's break it down step by step. It all starts with booking a demo. Click on the Book Demo option and connect with the Thinkscaler team to schedule your session with an expert mentor. Next, join the demo session. In this session, you'll understand the complete syllabus, learning roadmap, and you can openly discuss your goals with the mentor. Once that's done, your queries are addressed. The mentor carefully understands your requirements and helps tailor the training approach based on your specific goals. After that, you can proceed with the course purchase. Choose and purchase the mentorship training program that best fits your needs. Now comes the scheduling part. Your classes will be scheduled, and all session details, along with invitations, will be sent to your registered email. When it's time, simply join the sessions. You can attend your classes on time from your PC or laptop. To support your learning further, dedicated doubt-clearing sessions are also included. These extra sessions ensure that all your questions are answered and concepts are crystal clear. Finally, upon completion of your training, you'll receive access to session recordings and your completion certificate, all available in your order section on the Thinkscaler Workshop website. And that's how your ServiceNow mentorship journey with Thinkscaler is structured: simple, guided, and goal-focused.